Hello guys, today I will show you some face beauty tips, homemade remedies, easy remedies tips in the front of you that how to bring fairness, clean face and stay away from pimples with the homemade easy simple remedies. So let's start with the basics explanation. These are the symptoms and the problems which we are facing in our face. So these are the pimples which um, we can remove by these home remedies, and this is, you can say, the fair unfair skin and some dark spots, some pop spots on the face, which we can easily remove by these home remedies. There are a lot of different remedies which are for different purpose, and the topic of face beauty, which are related to just the face beauty, face, not for the skin, not for another parts of body, just for the face. You can choose the remedies according to your problem which are facing you. So number first is for a good and pretty face, nature color. It's also bring the beauty to your face and nature color, and also clean your face from the pimples, dark spots, and also soft your skin face. So it's have the two ingredients, that lemon and turmeric paste. Just how to make it: just take a one lemon and turmeric, take a one lemon and squeeze it in a mm, pot, in a small pot, and then put some turmeric powder in it according to your face, that how turmeric need to your face, and then mix it, and after mixing, apply it on your face. When you apply it on your face and massage it for 10 minutes, after 10-15 minutes remove it and wash your skin, and you will urgently have the change, the new look of your face. So the next one is honey plus lemon. Honey and lemon both are very too high benefits and beneficials for the face beauty, face, for a face. So before the sleep, when you are going to the sleep in the night, take a honey, so 1 teaspoon of honey, and some oil of honey and some oil of olivia oil. Also you will need olivia oil and lemon drops, 1 lemon drops, half lemon drops, and mix it and apply it to your face for 5-10 minutes. So, and after 5-10 minutes wash your face, you will feel the change. The next one is for fair skin face. For fair skin face, 1 cup oats flour and few drops of olivia oil and half spoon honey. Mix it until it become too much mixed. Now apply it on your face and wash it. You will see the difference of these remedies as well. So these were the three, the basic and also a major and a very workable remedies, homemade remedies, easy remedies. There is no such a problems with these remedies making. So you can do a lot with these remedies. So try to subscribe our channel or visit to our, for more stuff, visit to our website www.remediesshop.com. Thanks so much.